In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a map visualization in Google Sheets. We will start from a spreadsheet and turn a standard chart into a geomap that highlights regions, so your data is easier to understand at a glance. Begin by opening your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Once you are in the sheet, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the Insert menu, choose Chart. Google Sheets will place a chart onto your sheet and open the Chart Editor panel on the right side. In the Chart Editor, click the Chart Type dropdown. At first, you will typically see something like a column chart selected. Click Column Chart to open the list of chart types. In the list, click the highlighted option shown, and then choose Add Region. This opens a region selection window where you can tell Google Sheets what part of the world your data represents. In that region window, click the highlighted area in the list or field, and then click OK to confirm the selection. After that, you will repeat the same idea to be more specific. Click the highlighted area again where you can edit the region, and when the region field is active, type in the highlighted field as shown in the instructions. Then click Add Region again, select Philippines from the list, and click the highlighted area to confirm your choice. When you are ready, click OK. Now that the region is set, move back to the Chart Editor panel. Click the highlighted area near the top of the editor to make sure you are working with the correct chart settings. Then click Customize, and after that, click Setup. In Setup, click the Chart Type dropdown again and select GeoChart. You may see GeoChart listed and then selected, and the chart on your sheet will update into a map visualization. Next, to adjust the look of the map, go back to the Chart Editor options and click Add Color. Click the highlighted color choice shown, then click OK to apply it. This helps the map communicate your values more clearly, especially when you are comparing intensity across locations. Finally, click the highlighted area one more time to confirm the changes are applied and the chart is selected on the sheet. And that is all there is to it.